See, cocubes platform, quantitative aptitude related questions we are discussing. The reason behind in Accenture training, you people are very much familiar with reasoning concepts because both sections, whether it is abstract reasoning or critical thinking, problem solving, all concepts are related to reasoning. Accenture focusing more on reasoning, right? Whereas if you focus on cognizant company, cognizant company, first round is communication round. First round itself, Versant round, communication round. If you are clearing that round, okay, it's elimination round first of all, communication round, Versant round in cognizant company. If let us say you people clear, second round is quant plus gaming, no reasoning in cognizant. In cognizant company, there is no reasoning. Quantitative aptitude, 30 questions, 30 minutes, followed by gaming instead of reasoning, gamified aptitude. Let us talk about Capgemini. In Capgemini company, first round, second round is about pseudocodes and verbal MCQs, pseudocode MCQs and verbal MCQs, separate sections. If you clear pseudocode, let us say, then only you are allowed for verbal. If you clear verbal, then there is no quant reasoning, only gaming is there. Only gaming is there in Capgemini. IBM also only gaming, no quant and reasoning. TCS quant and reasoning is there. See, different companies expecting different inputs from you people. If it is TCS, quant, reasoning, verbal, those three are sufficient. If you are good in coding, then you are expecting to get high level package, or you may get minimum package of 3.6 with quant, reasoning, verbal skills. If it is TCS. But as you know, Accenture, it requires no quant, verbal reasoning, and some technical stuff related to pseudocode, MS Office, networking, followed by coding. Then second round, after this coding, then you have communication round. Communication round or Versant round is very important. In Accenture, it's a third round, we can say. First round is MCQs, where you have verbal, reasoning, pseudocode, networking, MS Office, all those stuff. If you clear that, then coding will start. If you clear coding round, after couple of days, there is a gap. After coding, couple of days gap will be given. Then you will get communication round in Accenture. But cognizant first round itself, communication round, Versant round, elimination round. So what about Wipro, sir? This year Wipro they updated first round quant reasoning verbal followed by coding. Then second round is Versant round again. Quant reasoning verbal, coding. Next is Versant round. Techmahindra are same. Quant reasoning verbal, coding, then Versant round. You call any company, hexaware company, sir, is quant reasoning verbal plus hexaware company, quant reasoning verbal plus your department subjects, technical subjects. EC subjects will get EC content. Triple E students will get questions from Triple E department. Hexaware, quant reasoning verbal plus your department related subjects also playing role. Let us say for Triple E students, they'll ask questions from power machines. For EC, they'll ask questions from digital electronics. For CSE students related to DBMS, they may ask your core subjects. Your core subjects. Then if you clear that, then it is Versant round in hexaware as well. So every company, whether it is first round or somewhere in between, Versant round is involved now, communication round is involved now. It's a humble request for everyone. Please try to keep practice from your end. You cannot do it in one day. It's not about MCQs or learning some concept and completing. They're involved listening, speaking, reading, and writing. I already shared certain links in the group, in my Telegram group or in your WhatsApp group. Everywhere we shared you certain links. Okay, how to clear that Versant round? Listening, speaking, reading, writing. Related to listening, we already shared certain link. If you open that link, play the audio. Yeah, listening skills is that. In all these Versant rounds, almost different companies, pretty much similar content. Sir, Accenture Versant round is a different company. Capgemini different company. Versant round. Yeah, in Capgemini also, after first round pseudocode, then English round, verbal. If you clear, then gaming. If you clear that, then again you have communication round. In Capgemini also communication round is there. Different companies, whether it is called techmahindra, hexaware, or Accenture, cognizant, Capgemini, Wipro. One or other way, first round or second round or third round, somewhere Versant round or communication round is involved. And pretty much you people need to practice where it is about LSRW. Main issue is practicing from your end. You may have some skills. That's why we shared some link where you have listening skills. If you click on that audio, it will give some story. You have to listen. Then there is some questions followed by you need to answer that. That's what about listening skills you people can practice. Speaking, they'll give some content. You need to speak for 2 or 3 minutes related to that. Reading, it's like almost your intermediate stage. They'll give a paragraph, reading comprehension related. Writing, you should type essay writing. In that communication round, pretty much it's all these are involved in maximum. And if you prepare well, you people can go for GRE, TOEFL easily. Those things can be done easily. Again, there also what's in round is the English TOEFL. English is important. They'll check again this. Listening, speaking, reading, writing, it's very much important. Please try to plan that. Not only quant reasoning verbal, okay, verbal, you people are getting trained, okay, as per grammatical part, but you need to start essay writing, typing. Sir, how can I practice essay writing, sir? Okay, I'll share you Cambridge related open link, free link. Okay, there you can type and submit, it will show you errors. You can rectify and get it familiarized with that platform. Number of words you have to type, okay, all those conditions will be there. You just go with that link, which will listening related, I already shared. Writing related, I'll share it today also. Fine. Reading comprehensions, anyhow, in verbally, people are going to prepare, learn, okay, grammatical things, all stuff. But speaking, you need to practice. For that, highly recommended to have a good headset with wide, not wireless. A lot of people are having, okay, good headsets, but wireless one. But we require a headset with wide along with mic. Wide headset along with mic. Noise cancellation related. Why, sir? See, even you sit in a room where zero noise is there, but still when you start the exam, it will show high noise because of that local headphones. It won't do that noise cancellation. Exam will not start. Problem, exam will not start if that headphones are not quality and it's not supporting. So we need, okay, or else at least 2 or 3 people share and get some good headphones, wide one with mic. Again, we are mentioning because it's possible one person, one headphone like that, or else 2 people, one like that, you play a plan. Because at a time they'll give hardly 2 hours or 3 hours. You need to complete within that 3 hours. All should complete the communication round. It's not possible for any college to conduct communication round in college because we need a pin drop silence. Suppose I give one interview cabin for one student, how can I accommodate for 700 students at it? 700 rooms is not possible. So you should take the every company Versant they're allowing to take it from. You can take it from any place. No company is restricting you have to come to any college or nothing like that. So you can do it from your home. Versant you can do it from your home. You plan things properly regarding Versant. Now let me go for this session. Before starting again, I'm repeating. I'm just giving you few companies, okay, like as I mentioned, cognizant company, first round is Versant. Second round, you have Quant, 30 questions, 30 minutes, followed by gaming instead of reasoning. The same gaming is there in Capgemini as well. In Capgemini company, no Quant, no reasoning, only gaming. IBM also now, this game, Quant reasoning removed, they kept only gaming round in IBM as well. If you come to Accenture, everyone knows that there is no quant, only reasoning involved. But TCS require quant and reasoning both. If you want to attend that cocubes assessment, okay, if you get good score, then through that cocubes platform, you will get some companies directly interview call, depends on your scores. There they'll check all. In cocubes assessment, okay, that's a paid one, which college is paying to the cocubes for each student. Okay, if you there they'll check a lot of things. Quant they'll check, reasoning they'll check, verbal they'll check, essay writing also they'll check, coding they'll check, and your department related questions also they'll check. Why, sir? When you attend that assessment, at the end they'll give a report of nearly 13 pages, which package you are suitable, which areas you need to improve, which area you are strong. For some students, it will say It will give the idea like, yeah, you can recommend it to go with core companies because you perform well in core subjects. Then check that also. Civil students, civil related questions they'll ask. For mechanical, that section also there. In cocubes assessment, all these will be there. They'll assess you and finally compare it to all over India or all over world. On an average, what is the score everybody is getting in quant section? What you are getting? You are on par or you are less than that, or whether you have to improve. Then you will realize with that each and every individual student will get the data, will get an assessment report. Every student you can find at the end. Okay, right now you are suitable around 4 to 5 lakhs. This is the area you need to improve. Then you can aim around 9 to 10 lakhs package like that. They'll give a detailed report. The area which you need to improve all those. And every students on an average quant, not only our college, all over India or all over world, quant section who are attended, what is the average they got, what is your situation. Yours comparing with the average of all other people. Then you can see what level you are, which section you are weak. Let us say you are good in verbal compared to average. Then you can focus on which area you are lagging. Right? That's what that assessment is always required. We have to know what situation we are. You may think that you are excellent in quant, but when you attempt the test, then you may realize compared to average of entire India or entire world, whether you are less than that or more than that, then there is a scope you people can improve. Right? Okay. Now in today's session, I'm focusing more on quant only because you people, as I mentioned, as we're done with Accenture training, you people are very much familiar with the reasoning part. Okay, we are now entering into quant related stuff. Right. See, this quantitative aptitude, the inputs whatever are giving is useful for cognizant company also. In cognizant company, they are conducting using cocubes platform, quant round and gamified round. They are using cocubes platform. Very important always when you are preparing for any MNC company, which platform they are conducting exams in. That's very important. Okay, then accordingly you can plan and prepare. So if you prepare all cocubes related papers, then you can do things better in cognizant quant. What about coding round in cognizant? They're using mettl platform for coding round. Because after this round, if any people are eliminated, after a couple of days they'll conduct coding round, not on the same day. One day in cognizant they'll conduct communication round. Couple of days they'll give gap, they'll do elimination there. Then certain people will get the links for next round. Okay, that second round is quant and gaming. Then again they'll give the couple of days gap. Those who clear, they'll get a round for Versant or communication round after a couple of days. Right, that's how the process is. Right? Okay, and the platform they're using is cocubes. So it's very much better if you attend cocubes assessment related. It's useful for cognizant. Right. Not only cognizant, hexaware also cocubes platform. Hexaware company also will conduct cocubes platform. Accenture will conduct in 3 different platforms. Cocubes, mettl or vbox. 3. They don't connect in one. Okay, they'll connect one among this. It can be in cocubes and it can be in mettl or it can be in vbox. It's a different inputs, right? So now let's